Welcome back to our survival series. We finally escaped the train stations and did something very brave.
はい、レンタカーを借りました。
Ren-tah-kah. Ren-tah-kah. It means rental car. Yes, we got a rental car. A beautiful, compact Toyota hybrid, and I am driving.
トヨタのハイブリッドは静かですね。
Shee-zoo-kah. Shee-zoo-kah. It means quiet. It is so quiet. I couldn't even tell the engine was on. This is going to be a smooth road trip.
ビル、車線変更します。ウインカーを出してください。
Changing lanes. Let me just hit the turn signal right here.
ビル、またワイパーです。
Wiper. Wiper. It means windshield wipers. Why do I keep doing that? The wipers are aggressively cleaning a perfectly dry windshield.
日本の車は右側がウインカーですよ。
Migigawa. Migigawa. It means right side. In America, the turn signal is on the left. My brain refuses to adapt.
左側通行ですから気をつけてくださいね。
Takchi fo wohu. Planchi fo wohu. It means driving on the left side of the road is actually fine. I just have a very clean windshield.
まもなく高速道路です。
Keys. Keys. It means highway. Okay, I am ready. I am focused. No more wiper mistakes.
前に料金所があります。減速してください。
料金所. Ryokinjo. It means toll gate. I see it. It is a massive structure. There are like 10 different lanes.
ビル、ETC カードはありますか？
Kado. Kado. It means card. An etc. card? Electronic toll collection? I saw a little talking machine under the steering wheel.
機械はありますが、カードはレンタルしましたか？
Rentaru. Rentaru. It means rental. Did I rent the physical card from the agency? No. I thought it was just magically built into the car.
じゃあ一般のレーンに行ってください。
Iwa. Iwa. It means general/cash lane. General lane. Okay. I need to pay with cash or a regular credit card. Which lane is that?
緑の看板です。緑に行ってください。
Midori. Midori. It means green. Sign. Got it. I am looking for the green sign. Wow. The traffic is moving fast here.
ビル、そこは紫です。
Though. Though. It means purple. But I was following the big truck. The truck went this way.
トラックは ETC 専用です。
Senyo. Senyo. It means exclusive/only for. Only for etc.? Oh no. I am already in the lane. The walls are narrow.
ああ、ゲートが閉まります。
The gate didn't open. It's completely solid.
止まってください。
Hamatte. Hamatte. It means stop. I am stopped. The red light is flashing. Loud alarm is going off. I have broken the Japanese highway.
ビル、落ち着いてください。
I am perfectly calm, Sakura. I am just going to put the car in reverse and back out of this lane.
絶対にダメです。
絶対に. It means absolutely. Not? Why not? The green lane is right there. I can just back up 10 feet.
危ないです。バックしないでください。
バックしないで. Backしないで. It means do not back up. Okay, I hear you. But there are cars coming up behind us. We are trapped in the purple lane.
インターホンを押しますから、待って。
Interhom. Interhom. It means intercom. She just opened her window and pushed a glowing red button. The machine is going to yell at me.
はい、どうされましたか？
A voice just came out of the speaker. He sounds incredibly calm for a man whose gate I just crashed.
すみません、間違えました。
間違えました。間違えました。It means made a mistake. Yes. Tell him we made a mistake. Tell him I got distracted by the truck.
ETC カードをお持ちですか？
He's asking if we have the card. Sakura, use your polite Japanese to tell him we are foolish tourists.
いいえ、持っていません。
かしこまりました。そのままお待ちください。
お待ちください。お待ちください. It means please wait. He told us to wait exactly where we are. Is he calling the highway patrol? Are we getting a ticket?
大丈夫です。係の人が来ます。
係の人。係の人. It means staff person. Is coming? From where? We are in the middle of a 12-lane highway.
地下のトンネルから来ますよ。
From an underground tunnel. Of course they have secret tunnels under the toll gates. That is brilliant.
お待たせいたしました。
He emerged from the stairs. He is wearing a high-visibility vest, a helmet, and perfectly white gloves. And he just bowed to us.
日本のサービスです。
I blocked an entire lane of the highway. The alarm is blaring, and he is apologizing for making us wait. I feel incredibly guilty.
通行券はお持ちですか？
ビル、最初の料金所のチケットです。
Chiketto. Chiketto. It means ticket. The paper ticket from when we entered the highway. Yes, it's right here in the cup holder. Here you go, sir.
ありがとうございます。3000円になります。
3,000 yen. Okay. I can do that. I am just so glad he is not writing me a massive fine.
現金ですか？カードですか？
Pieta. Pieta. It means cash. He asked if I want to pay with cash or a card. I will use my credit card.
カードですね。お預かりします。
He took my card and walked over to a terminal box. He is completely unfazed by the flashing red lights.
料金所では、バックするのは一番危険です。
King. King. It means danger slash dangerous. So backing up is the most dangerous thing you can do. Good to know. I am glad you yelled at me.
間違えたら、ボタンを押して待ってください。
If you make a mistake, just press the button and wait. The staff will fix it safely. That is a great system.
お待たせしました。カードとレシートです。
Reshito. Reshito. It means receipt. He handed back my card and the receipt. Thank you very much. Mr. Saito, you are a hero.
お気をつけて。
おつけて。おつけて. It means drive safely slash take care. He told us to drive safely. And look, the gate is finally opening. The alarm stopped.
出発しましょう。
出発. 出発. It means depart slash leave. Let's depart. We are back on the road. The rental car adventure continues.
ビル、次の料金所は緑ですよ。
I know, Sakura. Green for general, purple for etc. I will never forget it, as long as I live.
はい。じゃあ、ウインカーを出してください。
Right. I am merging back into traffic. Let me just hit the turn signal.
ビル、またワイパーです。
Subscribe for part 3. I am going to buy a bicycle. The windshield is extremely clean, though.